What's up? Danny Heisacker with Call One Inc., helping people do their business better. And today we have this. It's the new EPOS Adapt 560 Bluetooth headset. Has active noise canceling. We have the 560 variant, but they do have the 563, which does not include a dongle or a carry case. And this thing is jam-packed with features and just cool stuff. But let's just take a look at it. All right. Ooh. So already this case is nice. You get this stuff, and then here in the box itself. All right, so there's that. Again, it's kind of like a hard case, but it's like soft at the same time. Ooh. All right, so there it is. There's the headset. Check it for me one time, and you'll notice what makes this one different than the 660 is it's got this little guy right here, this little boom arm microphone. Right, so let's just take a look at this guy. It's kind of nice looking. There's a new EPOS Sennheiser logo. Let's see what little buttons it's got. Now this one is also Microsoft Teams certified, so that little guy right there would act as your Microsoft Teams button. Let's see what else you get in here. Don't eat this. Don't let your dogs eat it. All right, so let's see what else comes in there. So this looks like a USB-A to USB-C adapter, and it's kind of cool because it includes the dongle. All right, so this is a dongle. This is another thing that's not included with the 563 model. So the 560 variant that I have includes the dongle, the carry case. The 563 model does not. This one here is designed to pair with your mobile device as well as your laptop or PC, where the 563 is designed to pair with just your mobile device. I'm sure what you guys are mostly interested in is hearing how this thing sounds. I'm gonna hook it up, let it charge for a little bit, and then we'll plug it in, and then we'll see how well this guy sounds. So I'm back. It's actually the next day. I was doing some other things for some customers. It's been fully charged. I also updated all the firmware in the BT800 dongle that's included with it, as well as the headset itself. Just another thing I want to throw out there. I'm using the Hudley IQ camera, and that's what I've been using to record the majority of these videos as I've been working from home. It's a great camera. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cameras up on my monitors here, but the Hudley IQ is the one I've been using. So let's talk about some of the features that this Adapt 660 has. It's pretty comfortable headset. It's not heavy. It's a nice headset. Bluetooth 5.0. Here's a question that I get from folks in terms of what codecs are supported, and for this particular headset, SBC, AAC, USB-C, and aptX are supported codecs. It's got a full 2-year warranty, which is awesome. 3 hours, 40 minutes for charge time, and then you get a whopping 81 days of standby time. And then you also have listening time of up to 46 hours and talk time of up to 41 hours with ANC off, up to 24 hours of listening and talk time with ANC on, which is just phenomenal. Let's turn the volume up, and right now I'm at 25. All right, so here we have volume at 25. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. I'm at 36. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. And just so you guys know, I want to be surprised just like you are, or I want to sort of, get to hear what it is. So I don't test it prior to like right now. I'm recording it right now, so I don't know how well it's going to block it out until I go back and listen for myself. All right, so now we're at 50. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. All right. This is the EPOS Adapt 560. And I'm going to do it since I have one. I'm going to go ahead and do kind of like a side-by-side of the EPOS Adapt 660 and this 560. And I'm also going to do some other comparison videos that are coming up. So please stay tuned. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.